TVS has launched a kit for disabled people, which can be retrofitted onto the XL100. It costs Rs. 11,237. According to TVS, the kit was designed and developed in-house. It comes with 2 additional wheels that are retrofitted onto the XL100. The kit has undergone road trials and has been approved by the ARI. The TVS XL100 is powered by a 99.7cc, single-cylinder engine that produces 4.3 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 6.5 Nm at 3,500 revolutions per minute. The engine is mated to a single-speed gearbox.
Thank you for watching. For more, like, share and subscribe.